All aid agencies agree the situation in Bentiu is turning into a humanitarian catastrophe, and this UN protection camp has the worst conditions in South Sudan. The rains, which are good for growing crops, are instead a torment for these uprooted people. Mud everywhere, latrines overflowing, fear of cholera and worse.
Yeah, people are still coming here because everybody is coming to look for protection. Yeah, because of this war outside, that is why civilians are coming.
2 months ago, there were 7,000 people seeking shelter here. Now the UN estimates there are more than 40,000. No one had planned for this. In the camp, there is some food. Outside, there is none.
There's no any food. There's no any food at all. All the villages were burned. The station is going back there. No one can be there. There's dying. People are killing them. That is a problem.
Niamuch fled the town of Bentiu on the country's only north-south highway. Rebels and government are fighting over it. It's already changed hands 6 times.
The warring parties in South Sudan's conflict agreed in June to hold their fire and work towards a transitional government. But camps like these tell you what political meetings don't. People come here because they think they might survive. Out there, they feel death is more certain.
The UN is worried too. UN peacekeepers here are armed and vigilant. They've lost personnel in this resurgence of hostilities in the past 6 months and are waiting for reinforcements to move into surrounding areas, which might take some pressure off this camp.
We have done what we can do now, which was to use the resources we had to open the gates for those fleeing for their lives, afraid of being killed. And I think we actually stemmed the cycle of violence and saved thousands and thousands of people's lives.
But the UN and other aid agencies admit they were not prepared for a crisis on this scale and are struggling to manage the humanitarian side. Even simple illnesses are proving fatal. 3 children are dying here every day. What people most need here is peace, a peace they can believe in. Only then can they go home. Anita McNaught, Al Jazeera, Bentiu.